It is a great pleasure to recognize Drs. Lewis and Julia St.Petery as the recipients of the prestigious 2014 CHILES Advocacy Award. Dr. Lewis, a pediatric cardiologist, and his wife, Dr. Judy, also a pediatrician, are the perfect team to receive this award. They have shared their lives and medical practice for 46 years, caring for Florida's children with a special passion for giving poor children equal access to care. Both Floridians from birth, Lewis from Orange Park and Judy from Tallahassee, they first met as medical students at the University of Florida and were married in 1967. Dr. Lewis received his medical degree from UF, completing his internship, fellowship, and residency at Shands Teaching Hospital to become instructor for pediatrics at UF. But there was always time for fishing. Judy also completed her internship and residency at Shands, going on to become instructor for pediatrics in family medicine. Dr. Gerald Schiebler, their instructor and mentor, is pictured here when they began their lifelong friendship. Judy then served as director at the Children's Medical Services Program, caring for children with special medical needs. This was only the beginning of many years of service at CMS in various roles, including medical director for the primary care program and the medical foster care program. Judy practiced full-time general pediatrics from 1977 until 2011 and served as chair of the medical staff of Tallahassee Memorial Hospital in 1996. In 1984, there were many poor children without health insurance or Medicaid. So, with the help of other pediatricians, the St.Peterys went to the Florida legislature and requested funding for a primary care program that would allow kids to receive the same care as privately insured children. The program, Kid Care, has served up to 9,000 children at a time, with Dr. Lewis on the coordinating council since 1998. They both served as local child protection team physicians for 14 years. Caring for many abused and neglected children in the hospital, the ER, and their office. They were given the Dr. Bud Harrison Humanitarian Award by their peers in the Capital Medical Society in 2008. Dr. Lewis is widely recognized for his statewide child health care policy work, including as Executive Vice President of the Florida Pediatric Society, Florida chapter of the American Academy of Pediatrics since 1984. His legacy and leadership have been extensive throughout his career. He is always willing to come to the Capitol on a moment's notice to provide testimony for legislators on the barriers to health care for poor children, or other health care issues like newborn screening, gun violence, seatbelts, and booster seats, to name a few. He works to find bipartisan solutions to improve care for children and families. Governor Lawton Chiles, for whom this award is named, and his wife Rhea, knew the St.Peterys as friends who shared the same commitment that all Florida's children should have equal access to health care and early childhood services, to be healthy and reach their full potential in life. Both Judy and Lewis are the epitome of child advocates. Intelligent, well-trained, caring, and compassionate, traits that make them amazing and, now, proud parents. And traits they passed on, along with fishing. Elizabeth, on the right, is a classroom science teacher in a public middle school in Tuscaloosa, where her husband, Dr. Carl Hancock, is on the UA School of Music faculty. Their two children, Sylvia and Ethan, attend public schools. Lee, daughter number 2, is the only one foolish enough to study medicine, and is a solo family practice physician in Harpersville, Alabama. Her patients love her. Louie, in addition to being a father of twins, is a computer whiz for Piper Aircraft in Vero Beach. His lovely wife Sherry teaches music in public elementary school where their twin boys Lee and Lou attend. As you can see, the twins have flourished. Both Doctors Lewis and Judy have spent years in the trenches, but have never been too busy to speak up on behalf of all of Florida's children. They say that Dr. Schiebler told them it was in their job description.